Teresita Sen, Winwin Marquez, Muntinlupa City. Iliana Marie Aduana, Sinilaan, Laguna. Yoshabel Mendones Libico, Basay, Samar. Maria Atisa Manalo, Quezon Province.
Hala, may sipon ako ngayon.
Hello everyone, this is Michael Waitan Ibarde, your Miss Universe Philippines Province of Benguet. Last na guys. Maria Katrina Legado, Taguig City.